Another exciting feature for 2016 is we went to a new slide system. We relied on a partner we've been doing business with for 25 years. We went to HWH to find a slide system that allowed us to be able to accommodate what customers have been requesting for many years. If you look down at the floor in here, you see no carpet. We have tile throughout the whole entire floor, and we've eliminated carpet that will fade, get musty and mildewy over time, and we've gone with full tile. The reason we have gone to HWH is the slide system that they operate will actually take this slide straight up. And as the slide is rising, we look underneath, we can see we've got wheels throughout the underbase of the entire slide, and that slide is going to roll in, but the wheels themselves are not touching or turning. The reason we have wheels underneath the slide is when our slides are closed and we want to maneuver through the coach, we have wheels underneath it to prevent it from sagging. In the past, our slide system angled up and came in, and it created a little bit of flex and twist. And with tile in our slide now, we needed a new system, and HWH has come through with us. Now that we have our HWH slide room in the in position, notice the large chain that actually drives the room in and out. That chain has another piece down below, and it's a lockable chain. And the nice thing about the lockable chain is instead of ramrods down at the base of the slide that runs the room in and holds the room in, we have a lockable chain up top and down below. And being that it's lockable, there is no movement whatsoever in this slide room. So as we're traveling down the road, you're not going to hear squeaks and rattles or air noises or potential water leaks coming in from the slide. Now with the Newstar foundation, and as strong as that is, in the HWH slide system running directly out and dropping down, if you look at the slide and where it ends versus our compartment door, it doesn't look like we have room to open the door all the way. Our engineering department came up with a slipper hinge system that allows the door to open and drop while it's open, and as we close it, because of the tight fit in the Star foundation, rock solid closing.